and we went and hiked.
Set. Go.
Guys, there's a lot of poo.
But we're gonna rinse it off. What you're doing now is not gonna help us.
Oh no, you guys, there's so much poo.
We just have to just step on it.
Oh my god, there's so much.
Why did you just go in the pool?
Wait, so I'm like supposed to step in the poo?
Like step around. Don't step in a big pile, but there's some in the ground. Just
I'm gonna create a straight video of this, and I'm gonna title it "The Chronicles of Elodie." I've got it all on film, so.
kind of not very sneak around in really bad shape. This kid, like, we're starting to cheat. You have to do this little walk to get to the beginning. That felt like socially where we like stopped 9 times, like 8 snacks. Okay.
Crew on the hike. Let's go, crew.
I can do this.
It's not just you. Filming everyone.
Oh yeah, I thought it was just
No, you avoid the muddy. Problem. Last kilometer. With the waterfalls here. Down there is the second waterfall. And here's the 130 meter high one.
On the other side.
Crew, how was the hike? Tiring? 4K sweaty.
But yeah.
Hey, you see this one's a little more popular. A little more touristy. Go stopping to swim. And there's a smaller waterfall. So this is a smaller waterfall where everyone comes to. You can see it's quite busy. A lot of people swimming. But the water is beautiful. You can do cliff jumping from up top here. You can stand under the waterfall in here. It's an absolutely gorgeous hike. It took 4 kilometers to get here, and it's a decently hard hike. Not bad at all though. Very sweaty, but well worth the visit. Crew's ready to go back, soaking wet. The final leg of our journey.
We're here, people.
Oh, way better on the way down.
Way better, eh?
Way up is pretty.
All right, Elliot, for all the fans. How was it?
It was alright. It was alright. If I can do it, you can do it.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe up here. Check out our most recent other videos over here, or subscribe to our other channel over here.